What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to do a comments redirect into your WordPress website for free. So imagine the following scenario, okay? A person does a comment into your blog post, into a product of yours, into any post of your site, okay? And after commenting, this person be redirected to a thank you page or to a newsletter subscription page telling want you more about this content, okay? So how to grow your email list, how to thank the customers, or how to just redirect, okay? This is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet and sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing to do is navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover a mouse over plugins. Into the plugins menu, click into the sub-menu, add new plugin, okay? Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, there is a field called search plugins. Click on it and type comment hacks. Just like this, okay? By just evoke, okay? So click on install now. Click into the activate button. Click into the activate button once again. And this is gonna redirect you to the plugins list. A list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site, okay? And if you hover a mouse over settings, left sidebar of menus, once again, okay, in the last menu, normally it's settings, you can see a new submenu, comment hacks. Click on it. Into the upper screen, you can see the comment light, comment policy, emails, and comment redirect, okay? We have clear emails, forward emails, and email all comments. We're gonna focus into the comment redirect, okay? So redirect first time commenters. Select the page below that first time commenters should be redirected to. So this is the site page, okay? You need to create one of your pages on your site, okay? So go to the left sidebar menus, page, add new page, and create, for example, a thank you page or a cart page or a shop page, okay? So you can redirect. So imagine that every person that comments on my site should be redirected to my shop page. I'm gonna select shop, click on save change, and we are good to go. Changes are saved, and this comment's gonna be redirected to the shop page, okay? And of course we can change anytime in any time that you want, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for sites.gallery, that is a place where you can promote your site, your app, your game, your landing page. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when you do your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!